Here's how to download the Airtel Xstream app on LG TV in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can install the app quickly and start watching your favorite shows without wasting time. Begin by turning on your LG TV and making sure it is connected to the internet. Once you're on the home screen, look for the LG Content Store. This is the built-in app store where you can download apps directly to your TV. Open it using a remote. After the store loads, move to the search option. Type in Airtel Xstream using the on-screen keyboard. As soon as it appears in the results, select it to open the app page. You will see an install button and all you need to do is press it. The TV will start downloading and installing the app automatically, and this usually only takes a short moment. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app right away or find it later on your home screen. Launch the app and you will be asked to sign in. Use your Airtel account details or follow the on-screen steps if you need to connect your account. After logging in, you will have access to a wide range of content including movies, series, and live TV channels. If the app does not show up in your search results, it may be due to your TV software version or region settings. In that case, make sure your LG TV is updated to the latest version. You can check this in the settings menu under software updates. Keeping your TV updated ensures better compatibility with newer apps. Navigation inside the app is simple. You can browse categories, search for specific titles, or continue watching from where you left off. Everything is organized so you can find content easily without needing extra steps. With these steps, you can install and start using Airtel Xstream on your LG TV in just a few minutes, making it easy to turn your TV into a full entertainment hub.